Guys, so here's the packaging. It's Shopkins Season 5. I bought 3 of them today just because that's what I could afford currently. I'm trying to get more as I get paid. So these Shopkins, I'm new to Shopkins, so I haven't been here for the past 4 seasons. So I'm starting on Season 5, but they come with 2 little backpacks with animals on them. I think it's a dog and a cat. And then I think inside they also have the little list. So let's open this first package and see what we get. Ooh, they are not lying when they say they're hard to open. They don't want you to get into these things. Okay, so here it is out of the plastic, and it has a clear plastic shield. You open up the box and get them out. And we've got our little collector's guide, and it looks like there's bakery items, homeware items, music, garden, sports, sweets, charms, all kinds of things. So we're going to try to see what we find. And these, this season, are in these little backpacks. And these little backpacks, I think, can unclip. But I'm not sure how we do that. So we're going to figure that out here in a minute. So let's open this green one first. Maybe if I can get it open. Okay, that one's not opening, so let's try the pink one. Oh. Alright, the pink one comes with this little bag. Let's see who we got. Ooh, we've got a little roller skate with a blue wheel. And this one is... well, I can't find her yet. Oh, she is Lola Rollerblade. And the green means she is rare. That's pretty good for my first one ever. Alright, let's see if this green backpack will open. Oh, these are really difficult. Oh, there we go. Ah, I see how they go together now. See here? The pink one. Each one of them, it looks like, has these little spokes. You can't see that at all. Spokes. And then it has a little wheel well, and you just attach them. So here's our second one. Alright, ooh! What is this? It's a little cupcake, maybe? It has a little cat face on it. Let's see if we can find it. Not seeing him or her. And I'm not sure what he looks like. we'll come back to this one. I'm not sure which one they are. So we'll come back to him when I find him. Alright, so I found him, or her. It's Royal Cupcake, and she's a pet Shopkin, and she is common. Alright, that was number 1. Let's open up package 2. I feel like I need to break out a knife or a nail file for this. Here's the little form again. We don't need that. Alright, let's see. It worked better when I opened the pink one first, didn't it? Alright. See where our third one is. Oh, it's a bathtub. Oh, isn't that cute? So she's a bathtub. And she is Bertha Bath, and she is common. Alright. Oh, another pet one. So I think this one looks like he is a food of some sort. Yes, he is Toasty Toast, and he is a dog, and he is common. Alright, last package. So something I'm noticing with season 5, and I'm not sure if this is true or not, but so far, one backpack has a regular Shopkin, and the other backpack will have a pet Shopkins. Who did we get? Oh, it's a little chair. Little pink chair. She's quilted. So she is Claire Chair. Claire Chair. And she is rare. Right, our last Shopkins of the day. Oh, another sweet treat. Let's see, who is this? This is, oh, the color variation is different. Ice Cream Kate. And she's common. So something I thought I noticed with these is that you get a pet and a regular Shopkins, but I don't think that's true. I did only open 6 of them, so there's probably, there's a lot more to come. I'm going to try to come back next week and film more of these. So that's it for my Shopkins. I also got while I was in Walmart this, which I thought was super cute. It's called Crystal Surprise Babies, and it's a surprise little toy, and I think they sparkle, but I don't think they are double blind bags, so when we just open this, it'll just be what it is. So let's see what we got. I'm kind of hoping we get this one right here, Aura. She's a little owl. So you open this package, and you get your pet, which is this cute little plastic yellow parrot, and you get a name card, and this one's name is Tinsel, and then you get a little book, and Tinsel we got in the regular finish, I suppose. One color, yellow. So each of these little animals comes in 4 different colors, it looks like. So I'll have to see next week when I buy more what we get. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know it was a little quiet and it was kind of choppy. This is my first one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to try to come back next week with more Shopkins and Crystal Pets. Right, bye!